Do you see this? Look how beautiful it is. We fed our starter for 3 days to get it to this stage. Now we have a very strong starter. Today, we are making a starter with yogurt. Let me measure it. I am using a regular drinking glass. The yogurt came to exactly 3 glasses. Now I am measuring the flour. I added the 3rd glass. We added 3 glasses of yogurt and 3 glasses of flour. Now we mix them. We slowly mix our starter. We added 3 glasses of flour to 3 glasses of yogurt. The amounts matched perfectly. I mixed everything well. Our starter is ready. I mixed it thoroughly. It will make a wonderful starter. It will also make wonderful bread. We cover it with a cloth. Our starter will stay nice and warm. We do not uncover it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we open it to feed it. See you tomorrow. Let us uncover our starter. Exactly 24 hours have passed. All right, my dears, let us take a look. Let us all look at how beautiful our starter is. We made our starter with 3 glasses of yogurt and 3 glasses of flour. That is how we prepared it. Now I am moving the starter to a different bowl. We add 1 glass of lukewarm water. There are 2 glasses of flour here. We keep measuring with the same regular drinking glass. Today, we add a little rock salt to our starter. Now we start mixing. Our starter has matured beautifully because it is made with yogurt. It matures quickly. Yes, into our starter. I added 2 glasses of flour. Now I am adding the last glass. I added a total of 3 glasses of flour. Our starter has rested for 24 hours. We added 1 glass of lukewarm water and 3 glasses of flour. This is the glass I use for measuring. It is the kind found in every home. Now I have moved the starter to a larger bowl. It may overflow after we feed it today. I mix the starter well. After cleaning the sides of the bowl, we add a little flour and let our starter rest. We cover our starter. We will meet again when the starter is ready to be fed. Today is the 3rd day of our starter. We will feed it again today. This will make it stronger. Our starter looks wonderful. We add 1 glass of lukewarm water. We have 3 glasses of flour here. With these 3 glasses of flour, we feed our starter again today. We add all the flour. We mix it slowly. Our starter looks wonderful on the 3rd day. We feed it again today to make it even stronger. We mix it well. God willing, we will make bread with it. I had prepared 1 extra glass of flour, but 3 glasses were enough to feed the starter. Our starter has been fed well. Yes, do not be afraid to make a starter. It really turns out beautifully. The bread also turns out wonderful. We sprinkle a little flour on top so it does not stick to the cloth. We cover it with our cloth. See you tomorrow. We uncover our starter. Let us lift the cloth. We fed our starter for 3 days. On the 4th day, we prepare the preferment. I added 12 glasses of flour to this bowl. We add our starter to the flour. Our starter looks wonderful. Once again, it fermented beautifully and is ready to be fed. Here, we have 1 tablespoon of rock salt. We also have 6 glasses of lukewarm water. We need our preferment. We fed our starter for 3 days. On the 4th day, we prepare the preferment and increase the amount of starter. Our starter was ready in 3 days. It is pure, clean, and completely natural. I prepared this preferment at 6 in the morning. Now our preferment is ready. If we prepare it at 6 in the morning, we do not have to knead the dough at 6 in the evening. We can knead it at 8, 9, or even 10. This preferment can rest for 12 to 15 hours. It can rest even longer. Do not worry. It may turn out even better. If the preferment rests for 15 to 20 hours, the bread will turn out even better. I used 9 glasses of flour to feed the starter. I added 3 glasses each day for 3 days. After that, I added 12 more glasses of flour for the preferment. That makes a total of 21 glasses of flour. I can use this starter for 5 loaves of bread. I can also use it for 6 loaves. Both will work well. If you want to make more bread, you can use 20 glasses instead of 12. That way, you can make up to 10 loaves. That is how it is done, my dears. Our preferment is now ready. I will knead it a few more times and cover it. I kneaded the preferment. I sprinkle a little flour on top. Now we cover it. Yes, we cover our starter. Tomorrow, we will meet again. When we make bread with it, even in warm weather, it is best to keep the starter covered. We had already increased the amount of starter. We prepared the preferment. Now let us uncover it. Our starter is now ready for bread making. Do you see this? Look how beautiful it is. Our starter is strong and ready for bread making. We fed our starter for 3 days to get it to this stage. Now we have a very strong starter.